What's up everyone? So today we're going to be installing the FitcamX dashcam in my Audi RS3. It's the same dashcam I installed on my Civic Type R. If you're unfamiliar with what the FitcamX dashcam is, it's basically a dashcam that installs directly into the factory mirror unit to give you that clean interior look. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here is the dashcam. Dashcam accessories. All right, let's see what we got in the accessories. Looks like a SD card reader and a interior Pro tool. All right, so a closer look at the unit. Right here, you got your SD card. It already came with a 64 gig SD card. Right here is the camera. Let's take that off once we get to installing it. The power camera button. And then we got the plug here. So the plug that's already installed, we're going to make sure we put that one into this and plug this piece where the factory plug is, so we still have functionality. Alright, so you got to be careful here. You don't want to scratch up your interior pieces because these scratch easy. There we go, Jesus. All right, so that was hard. I didn't break any clips, but geez. All right, so this is the camera piece. And this is the wiring. So as you see, this piece is gonna come out and go into here. Then I'm gonna place this inside the factory. It's like the rain sensor or something like that. So we got power. You can see the lights there. And we got some juice. So now we'll just snap that top piece here onto the camera. Now time to put this piece back on top of here. Snap it back into place. Alright, so the top piece snapped back into place. So now I'm going to connect my phone and see if I got everything hooked up correctly. This is on the inside. And it's just what I love about these cameras. They just look like they're part of the vehicle, like it came from the factory that way. There's the mirror. And that's the other side. So everything's back. Nothing's moving. Nothing's creaking. I am going to be honest. When I was pulling this top piece off right here, this piece here, not the piece where the camera goes, but the top piece, I did break a clip. Here's the piece right here. Fortunately for me, it did go back on. It did snap back on with that one clip, and it's not, see, it's not moving or anything like that. So I'm just going to be honest, I did break the clip. So you got to be careful. It's very tight to pull off, and when I did pull it off, it did snap. So yeah, I hope this helps anyone that's going to buy one of these cameras and install it. Like I was saying, on this particular car, it was a little more difficult. The pieces were tighter than the ones on the Type R. The Type R pieces came off a whole lot easier, but with this one, for some reason, it was just a little tighter, and I did break that clip. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope it helps someone out that's going to install one of these. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and please, if you like the video, if it helped you out, please like it. Subscribe if you like for more videos of the RS3, and of course I'll be posting more videos of the Civic Type R and the BMW M4. Have a great day.